Tell me something. Have you had a whole bunch of boxes that's piled up in your kitchen, and then when it's trash time, you're trying to figure out how to get rid of them and put them in one neat pile and everything? Well, you may want to get your hands on this electric scissor. I'm just going to show you how it works. Okay, well, as you can see, I got my boxes right here. I already did a few already. I basically started cutting the boxes up into little flaps like this and everything. So I'm just basically going to show you how it works. All right, you're supposed to cut it at like a 90-degree angle. Well, not that, I mean, you know, angle. And then you turn this on. Oh, it's also got a safety thing too. That's what kept me from cutting myself just now. I didn't press the safety. You got to push the safety button, and then you do this. Just like that. I can do this all day long. See? Just very effortless. And that's how you'll get rid of all those boxes and then take them outside and put them in those trash bins that the city provides you to put cardboard boxes and stuff in. That will help out with that too. This box cutter also has different speed settings. As you can see right here, you can set it different speeds and everything. You can speed it up and all, and slow it down. It's also got a readout. Now, like I said earlier, you can't do anything with the button unless you push this in at the same time, and then you see that. So you even got its own lights, you can see what you're doing, and it's got a readout that tells you how much battery power it has left. And on top of that, you can recharge it just by plugging into a USB-C cord in here and charge it up, and it will definitely read out on here how much charge has been charged up on. It's nice. It's real nice. I truly hope this was helpful.